Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone with iOS 18. This update introduces dynamic wallpapers that automatically change and bring some motion to your home screen. To start, we'll go into the editing mode for the home screen. First, lower the notification tab by swiping down from the top of your screen. Once you've done that, tap on any empty part of the home screen. This will bring up the customization options for your home screen. Scroll through the options at the bottom until you see the option to add a new wallpaper. Tap on the plus icon. Now, a menu will open with different wallpaper options. Scroll through until you find the section labeled iOS 18. Once you've found it, tap on it. From here, you'll see various wallpaper options, including dynamic wallpapers. Scroll to the beginning of the section where the dynamic wallpaper choices are located. These wallpapers will show you how they move or change automatically in the background. Once you've chosen a dynamic wallpaper you like, tap the Add button in the upper right corner of the screen. You'll then be asked if you want to set it as your home screen wallpaper, your lock screen wallpaper, or both. I'll choose to set it as a wallpaper pair, meaning it will be applied to both the home and lock screens. And that's it. You've successfully set a dynamic wallpaper on iOS 18. The wallpaper will now automatically change or move on your screen, adding a new level of customization to your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.